Welcome to Pima Medical Institute, Chula Vista, everybody. Happy to take you guys on a tour today. All right, so coming out on the floor, this is our Learning Resource Center. Pretty much this is where the students work, computer classroom, anything that's outside of class. As we're working our way up the hallway, we're gonna get to surgical technology. Surgical technology is one of our degree programs. It's an 18-month program. Come into the lab or our OR. Everybody say hi. Welcome to the world of surgical technology. Say hi, Brandon, even though you got the mask on, you're good. This is our pharmacy lab. Pharmacy is a 9-month certificate program. And we'll take you back up this way and we're gonna go into medical assistant. So let's take a look and see what they're doing in lab right now. This will get a little exciting, we'll get a little bit closer. One of my favorite instructors, Miss M, is right here. She never knows when I'm coming in the lab, so she'll smile most of the time. Let's explore our dental lab. Hello, Yvette. Yvette is our lead faculty for dental. She has been here for how many years, Yvette?
Almost 18.
18 years and counting, that's amazing. And Jessica, who is our new dental faculty. She's also a grad from Pima. She's been here a whopping 3 months. All right, welcome to the world of vet tech. Everybody can come over ahead and say hi to Reese's. What's going on, girl? What's going on? Thank you for the kiss. All right, if we come over this way, Layla is being worked on. Say hi, Diane. Say hi, guys. Tell Reese's thanks for the smooch. All right, so we're working our way up to the hallway to our student lounge. All right, so it's working into our student lounge area. Say hi, guys. And then we always have to pull the students out of here when they're on break. So vending on the right. And then of course, everybody's just kind of hiding on their computers. Hey guys, turn around, everybody. Say hi, how we doing? And we're gonna jump into Mr. Polanco's class. He's another tenured faculty. Everybody say hello to the best career prep team in Pima. Miss Candela is our senior for career prep, and Mr. Polanco has been with us for, well, it just seems too long, doesn't it?
16 years. All right.
All right, now we're working our way to the second floor. We can check out our radiography program. As we're coming around,
Hi.
this is Mickey. She's our intern program director. So as we come in, there's 2 labs. The one on the right side is our non-energized lab, and the one on the left side is energized. So we actually do real imaging in here. This will be our industry current equipment. This is a new space for Chula Vista. The radiography program's been here 25 years, and I'm happy to say that we are in a new space as of last year. Thanks again, everybody, for coming out to Pima Chula Vista. There's a lot of info you're seeing at a high level, and it'd be great if we can get you to come out to the campus and give more of what I call a VIP tour. We have 7 programs here at Pima, 3 degree programs: radiography, surgical technology, and veterinary technician. We also have 4 certificate programs: dental assistant, medical assistant, veterinary assistant, and pharmacy technician. Again, it'd be great to have you out to the campus. San Diego's got great weather. We'd love to see you here. Thank you.